in PowerPoint how to make the animation and how to create the transition to the slides. So now first open MS PowerPoint, then click on this office button. After that new, click on blank presentation and then create. Automatically one presentation will be open, and this is actually I have created, but if you click on home office button, after that new, then new slide will be open. You can add new slides from home, then new slide. From this you can also choose any slides. So this is the slide I have created. This is the title and subtitle place. It is called the slide. Now for animation I have to select, for the object animation I have to select first the object, then click on animation. After that here, after that custom animation, then custom animation, then custom animation, any effect, click on this, and we have here add effect, then click on this. From this we can choose any of this, and that will be applied to this. After that select this and same custom animation and custom animation, then this will come out, add effect, and anything I can choose from this, and that will be applied to this. Now transition to the slide. Just click on animation, then this effects will be applied to the slide if I click on any transition effect. So now select any style of this, and then sound, here speed, first medium and slow, so I have selected first. After that the transition effect will be shown on mouse click or automatically. Here I have selected automatically after, so just time is by default this. Now to see the effect, click on slideshow, then from beginning, from current slide, from slideshow. Three types. From beginning means from starting, from current slide means from the current slide, and custom slideshow means the simultaneously. Okay, custom slideshow. Then I'm choosing here the from beginning, so this effect will be appeared on the objects and the slide effect. So from current slide, this is the transition effect and this is the objects animation effect. So this is the whole presentation. You can add more than one slides in your presentation because the presentation will contain more than one slides. So here I have created only on one slide. You have to create more than one slides, like click on home, then new slide, add from here slides, and then just apply the animation effects on the objects. And to see the slides simultaneously, you have to apply the transition to the slide effect. You have to choose any transition effect from this, and you can see the slides will be appeared simultaneously with the transition effect and with the object animation.